Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm going to show you how to connect to a remote PC in your lab. So recently, because of the CMO or the Control Movement Order, some of the students they are unable to complete their tasks, especially those requiring high-end PCs, and they don't have any access to licensed software which is already been installed in your lab in the university. So first thing that you need to do is, especially for the lecturers, they will need to ask the IT officers to install different remote softwares. Currently I'm using AnyDesk. So let me just show you, there are several softwares which you can remotely access your PCs in the lab. So currently I'm using AnyDesk, but there are also others. Right now I've previously used TeamViewer, but currently you have to pay for the license, so it's a bit limited if you want to use it. But I think AnyDesk is quite reasonable, and it's I don't know about the pricing, but I'm using it for free because I'm using for my own personal use, not for enterprise or commercial use. So let's go into how you want to use it. First, you need to download the software, install it. Okay, and let me just show you how I access the PCs in the lab. So what the lecturers can do is, once they've installed the software, okay, in the PCs and also the one that you want to access, for example, this is my PC here, and then you need to install the other one, the other end, meaning the other PCs in the lab. Okay, so each of these PC, they have different IDs. So I'm going to access this one, which is the lab PC. Okay, and you have to set the password, of course, otherwise you're going to have some intruders using the PC in the lab. So this is a view of the PC in the lab. For example, here I can give the ID. The ID is located on the AnyDesk. Okay, let me just go back. So this number 85779 you can give to your students, and with the password that you already set. Okay, now the student can access for one PC a maximum of 3 students or 3 access is allowable, meaning that they can work together on one PC on one project. So they can use a software. Right now I'm going to open IESVE. I already opened this one previously. Okay, so they can use this licensed software on the lab. Right? Okay. So and also the lecturers, they can also collaborate if you want to show the students on how to use the software, meaning that they have simultaneously to log on this PC, but the maximum is allowable only 3. Okay, and they can chat if you need to chat if the student is there, but otherwise I think it's quite reasonable. It's quite easy to use, but meaning that you have to allow access to the lab first to set up all this software, otherwise you cannot switch on the PC, and you need to install and identify the ID number and also to set up all the passwords. Okay, so I think that's all for my very short video on how to use AnyDesk. And those students who have problem accessing or they don't have any software on capable PC, then I think this is one of the way to solve the problem. Okay, and it doesn't mean that also one tip I have to tell you that the students can also access from any type of device. So it doesn't mean you have to have a very strong or very powerful PC to access. You can even use your mobile phone or your tabs, and also you can use a very old PC as long as you have a very strong connection. Okay? Right, thank you very much for your time. So that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.